Dumelang, my name is Gape Khumo. I'm a young Botswana lady by the age of 21. I'm in my final year studying business computing, specialism in e-marketing in Malaysia in Apit University. Basic things about me, I talk a lot. I love talking. I love socializing, especially in Malaysia where you meet people from different countries, from China and Brunei. I love dancing. I have so many hobbies. I love dancing. I love public speaking, presenting. I've been public speaking since I was a very, very young girl. And one of the few people who have inspired me as a young person growing up was from South Africa. You just have to love her. So please, 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 guys, do vote for me and help my dream come true. What's happening? We're in Gap City. I'm Gape Khumo, aka Miss GKZ, and welcome to the second season of Gemstone Talent Search. This time, it's bigger, it's better, it is massive. Words cannot explain it. We're live at the Grand Palm Hotel. Yes, a beautiful, beautiful place. There are a lot of beautiful people outside waiting to audition. They're super, super excited. Guys, Gemstone is looking for people like you. TV presenters, actors, dancers, singers, so please come and give it a try. You can never know unless you try. Auditions will be tomorrow, right here in this place at 10:30 a.m. Now the juicy part, this month, end of January, there'll be a grand finale at the GICC, and for the first time ever, there's going to be an international celebrity all the way from the United States of America. It's Miss Tara Banks, aka known as the Queen of Modeling, so you don't want to miss this out. It's going to be a night of elegance. It's going to be very, very classy. So girls, get your freakum dresses on. Guys, bring your hot tuxedos and look hot, and I'll see you there. Right now, it's a bit crazy. Let's just go outside, go for a little short break. When we come back, we're going to go and meet those beautiful people waiting to audition, interview them, know how they're feeling about the show. It's Gemstones, and we'll be right back.